So in today's video we're going to go whale watching, and this is Porto Colon in Tenerife, Costa Adeje. Straight on the boat, that's me, and then we're leaving. I was quite excited for this one, so we're just getting the safety briefing, all ready to go, head out to the sea. What is that? Making moves now out to sea. The trip comes with free beer, wine and soft drinks, so we're taking advantage. Dad's already up for another beer. What do you eat? And Mum seems to be enjoying herself.
Alright, we're well underway. We've had a beer or two and we're going to our first stop, and we're hoping to see some whales and some dolphins. Normally you see the whales, dolphins are a bit more elusive, but let's hopefully we can see what we see. It's going to be good.
That wind exposed my hairline, bro.
Alright, the staff told us those two boats just there, apparently that's where the whales are, so the excitement's building. Hopefully we grab a good photo, grab a good video for you guys. Oh my god. Alright guys, we're close. They seem to have gone in now. Obviously they're in their natural habitat, it's not a zoo, so we have to find them. Oh yeah. There we go. Sightings.
Look.
Oh my god, there they are.
I was surprised by how many there were. There must have been about at least 15 of them.
Oh.
This is a really close sighting. I tried my best, but look how close this one is here. Now the panic scramble to get closer to the whale, man. The things I do for this channel.
Oh, this one was close.
The boat is equipped with an underwater microphone that can hear the whales communicating with each other just by the boat. Really interesting, give it a listen. You know, I was feeling really serene and connected with nature, and I thought to myself, I know what really makes me happy.
Having cheese roll and 5 beers.
Yeah, good stuff.
Alright, on to the next stop. We're going to the off-sea fish farm. These fish farms, they grow dorada, which is sea bream fish, and they're the ones in the nets, and they're owned by the popular Spanish supermarket Mercadona. So inside they've got all the sea bream inside, and Johnny told us that the dolphins might be there because the dolphins are clever. So they go to pick at the nets, make a hole in the net, and then when the sea bream comes out, they go and eat it. But as I said before, these dolphins are really elusive, so hopefully we get a chance. As you can see, you can even do a little kayak trip out here, but I don't think I had the minerals for that. Now, if you look really close, you might be able to see a little bit of a dolphin. I tried to zoom in for you, just to the right of the nets. Yeah, just one there, and another one in the second. Look, look. That's it. These little clever buggers are hard to see. Another stop, we're going to see the sea cave. Apparently that's where the fishermen used to bring their ladies and romance them up by the sea cave. So let's go check that out. And just in time, the sun came up, the glorious sun for our swimming stop. I had to get in the sea, bruv.
Alright, heading back to coast, it's actually been so good. Got to get really close with the whales. All the staff have been well nice. They were like almost taking me on to have a bunch of beers. Like they were just like, one beer man, have some. They weren't trying to be tight with it. Yeah, really close to the whales. Saw a smidgen of the dolphin, but they are well elusive. I would recommend it. And the tour's been with White Tenerife. I've got to shout out Johnny, the staff here, been super nice. So yeah, man, big recommend.
Looks like Dad was feeling the vibes, and that's pretty much it. Back into shore. Really great trip. Loved it. Great success.